Raate. Alright, welcome to our channel. We are here in Suomussalmi at our Airbnb. We just got here, got our bikes out, and now we are heading into first set of exploration. We are going to visit Raatteentie, which is a famous place from Second World War where Russians tried to cut Finland into half and got destroyed before Suomussalmi. So we are almost at the eastern border and we're going to Raate Road to the east, and after that to check out the a little bit of Trans Euro Trail. The weather isn't so nice, but we're not gonna go for a long ride because we have a dog with us, and my daughter is riding with my husband on a bigger bike.
Mennään tankkaamaan netteille.
Joo, mennään vaan. Mäkin voin tankata samalla. Yes. So first we fill up the bikes, and after that we go to check out the places. Okay, here we are. This is the what we call Raate Portti, gate to the Raate. There's a museum, window wall museum, and there's these memoriams, quite a lot of them all over the place. You can find them before this and after this, and joo, ja sit mä ajattelin, että me ajetaan tätä tietä tonne päähän. Halutaanko me käydä kattoo toi tuolla noin?
Ulkona.
Niin.
En mä tiedä, haluanko mä kuvata.
Täällä on paljon muistomerkkejä, noita vanhoja tankkeja ja... Joo. We make a stop here and take some photos and check out all those rusted tanks and cannons and stuff that Russians left here. Okay, we did check out the Winter War monument that is on this other side of that building, and now we are going to ride the famous Raatteentie. This is part of Trans Euro Trail Finland. I'm not sure which section. Some, and section 1 is coming from south at the end of this road and heading north, and I think we are going to ride at section 1 a little bit, just like 20 km or 30 km, something like that. There's a lot of these memorials, statues and stuff for all nations and people who died here. There's one for Ukrainians, there was one for Russians. Plenty of different Finns from different places, villages and cities. The sad story about this is that this fight was in middle of winter in January, and it was like -40 degrees Celsius, and quite many of those Soviet groups were from Ukraine, and they didn't have proper gear and preparation for this kind of weather. So if they weren't killed by Finns, they were killed by winter. I leave link below to Wikipedia or something that tells more about this thing, because there's quite a lot to read if you want to know these kind of things. People are still living here. Not too many, but the houses look really nice. There's one place if you want to visit. There's restored places. River side 45. Okay, I'm just following my husband and he's navigating, and obviously he decided that we are not going to go to the end of the road but take the TET section 1 right from here, which is okay. The weather is horrible. It's not really raining, but it's so damp that my goggles get wet, and the water even pools a little bit inside of them, which is interesting always. She's got a sore bum. It's been a long day. First several hours in a car, and now on the bike. Odota. Noin.
Minuuttia kotoa.
Joo. Alright. We decided to go back to the Airbnb. I'm freezing. and I think the next possibility would have been too far. Next possibility to turn back. It was a really nice section of Trans Euro Trail section 1. It was more fun than I thought. We have already visited years and years ago those dugouts and all the places on Raatteentie. So we just wanted to visit this place with the motorbikes and ride a little bit of Trans Euro Trail and show the place to our youngest one. At the Airbnb, not too far from there anymore. I'm officially frozen. My fingers hurt. It's so damp that my gloves get wet, and it's so cold. My fingers get really cold. It was really interesting little evening ride. We are still going to pack our bikes back in the van, and then I think I'm going to hit the bed so I can get up early tomorrow morning. Plus I want to get warm. Oh, I'm freezing. So I'm going to end this video here. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to the channel from below so you don't miss any future videos. See you in the next video. Bye!